Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add money to your Revolut. Well, this is very easy thing to do. So first of all, just download the Revolut mobile application. Make sure that you are logged in into your account. Now, once you just open your Revolut, the interface will look like this, and you have to just tap on the add money section. Once you tap on the add money section, then basically, there will be some issue regarding bank transfer, Apple Pay, debit and credit card, right? So I can't show you that because that will leak my privacy info, but you will get this on the top of your interface. It will be easily, you will able to identify, and you can just, if you want to add your money through your bank transfer or Apple Pay or debit or credit card, you can just add through these three methods, right? So it's really easy thing to do. And once you add it, it will look something like this. So it will show your name and all this account number here, and then just go and click on done. Automatically the money will get credited to your Revolut account, and it will get auto debited from your bank account, right? So it will just take a few seconds of your time and automatically it will happen. So it's very easy thing to do. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.